Hello po, may tip lang po ako sa inyo. I hope this will help. For you to have a goal in your forex trading journey, highly suggested ko po itong daily compound interest from the calculator site. You can search this sa Google nyo. Ayan. So just type daily compound interest calculator. Ito po. Click nyo lang. Make sure to tap on daily compound. Tapos dollars. If you have $1,000 like that. Tapos yung goal lang average is 5%. You can put 3%, 5%. That's the safest daily na goal nyo. Yan, daily. Tapos put 1 month dito. Tapos since walang trade every weekend, i-know natin yan. Tapos daily reinvest rate is 100%. Pero guys, this is suggested lang ha. Maganda pa din na kunin nyo yung profit nyo. So bale from Monday to Friday. Okay, tapos none, tapos make sure tama yung start date, tapos calculate. So from your 1,000 na start up, in 1 month pwede siyang maging 2,785. Okay, so baba po kayo, makikita nyo dito. What you can do is take a screenshot. Pwede nyo i-screenshot or para malipat nyo po sa sa notes nyo or sa Google Sheet nyo. Yan. Bale, anong purpose nito? Para at least etong earnings daily, ito lang yung goal nyo para hindi na kayo mag-overtrade. When it's done, tapos na po kayong mag-trade. So yan lang po daily. Pero can you just imagine yung $1,000 nyo pwede palang maging $2,785 in 1 month if you just add 5% every day. Hindi necessary na $100, $200 yung kitain nyo araw-araw. Importante is yung discipline nyo with the money or the amount that you have. Okay? It's all about discipline at the end of the day. Hindi palakihan ng profit. It's all about discipline every single day. You can do this for live and demo accounts. Okay? So, congratulations ahead. Sana makatulong po ito sa inyo. God bless.